Isoto WordPress integration using Zapier. So the first step here would be to make a Zap. So there are two things which happen under Zapier. One would be the event and the other would be the action. So the event would be when you are choosing WordPress, and the trigger event would be, a new comment or a new post. So let's just consider you want to push out a notification from Isoto whenever you post something new, right? So I'll continue. So the step here would be to add your WordPress account. I'll start here. Okay, so the first thing which we need to keep in mind here right now is when I will be copy pasting my credentials here. So I'll be using this website. So I need to copy paste the exact same URL which is accessible right here, and then the username and the password which you use to log into that WordPress account. So it will be, give it a second. So this is done. Continue. Uh, Please do remember to choose the account and then copy paste the exact same URL. So if it is not accessible through worldwideweb.domainname.com, so do not add worldwideweb.com domain name when you are entering the details here. So the second step would be to put the post status. So it means that whenever you want to send out a notification when the post is in the draft mode, pending review mode, or private or published, it is highly recommended that you send out a notification when it is published so that your visitors can access it. The next step here would be what would be the value of the post type. So, post pages, media attachments, you could also custom it. I'll choose post and just a second, continue. I'll just test the trigger. So yes, there's a new post here on Mark Morton, which is this one. And I'll get back here and continue. The second step would be the action. So the action here would be, sorry, I'll just so to the event action would be send notification. We'll continue with it. I'm sorry, my internet is not in the best of conditions. Right. So now it will ask me to choose an Isoto account. To choose the Isoto account, I'll click on Add New, and it will ask you to put the Isoto ID, which you'll find under your panel under Integration Instructions. Under Install Plugins, you'll see Isoto ID. You just simply copy it here, and I'll just paste it and continue. Please be sure that you copy the exact same as Auto ID and don't mess it up because there could be multiple IDs under your account. We'll continue. Okay, so this part is the dynamic, the customization of the auto push. Let's see. So the title, the post title comes here. Message, what message you want. It should be, like, not should be, it is your wish, but probably the content, maybe the content of the post here. Just these values are dynamically fetched, so you don't have to worry about that. Link, landing URL could be, your website itself, the homepage. Icon, feel free to put it, not put it, your wish. I'll leave it blank for now and I'll continue. The last step here would be to test and review. I'll do that and let's see whether it works or not. It will be anyway, but I will be receiving it in a few seconds. Yes, here it is for Mark Morton website. Title, as I put it, Hello World. The content and the landing page was the home page. So I just see it once. Yes. So it works. And now just be sure to toggle on the zap and you're good to use it.